Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. Today we're doing module 1, lesson 21 in our workbooks. I can count objects to 8. So before we begin our math journal pages, let's do a little bit of practicing with counting objects to 8. We've done so well with counting objects to 6 and 7, and now we're moving on to 8. So I'm going to show you my first part. I have my counting cubes. How many do I have there? How many in the first part? That's right, 5. And I need to get to 8, so I'm going to add some more. Say stop when I get to 8. 8. 8. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first part was 5 blue ones, and then I added 3 yellow ones. If it was on my 10 frame, it might look something like this in a nice organized way. And I could visualize the 5 across the top, the 3 more on the bottom. I can also show you it like with our 5 stick that we've been practicing, counting just the 5 frame and lining it up. How many on this one? Next to it, we have 5 and 3 more in the next stick, and they're all in a straight line. I can still realize that I can recognize that I have 5 and 3 more for my 5 and 3 make 8, or I can count and point with my finger to each dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. I could say 5, 6, 7, 8, counting on. Both are really good. Both great ways of counting those objects, 2 separate parts, and putting them together to make the number 8. So back to my counting cubes. I'm putting my cubes that we counted first time together to a little stack of a 5 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you guessed it, if you thought I was going to add how many more cubes from before? The 3. I can put them together like this, 5, 6, 7, 8, or I can put them in a really long tower, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 2 parts together. We have been practicing with our rods, and another way I can show 8 is with my rods. I can take out my brown, and I can do 5. And what goes with 5? We've just done it. 3. That's 5. And 3 makes 8. Also, this way, a different way, with our rods. All right. Here I have some problems similar to what we're just going to do. I want to practice this one. Oops. It says count and circle how many. Color the first 5 in your group. So it might look very similar when I color my first 5 red. How many more do you see? 3 more. So how many are there? 8. That's right. Color 5 here. 5 across the top. Think about what it looks like, what it reminds you of from when we practice our counting in different ways. 5 and 3 again. 8 again. Now across the top we have 4 triangles, and it says to color 4 of them. 4 and 4 more. Do you know how many? Well, you can count to each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you could have counted on from here and said, oh, I colored 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same down here. Color 4 across the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like my cluster for 8. I know there are still 4. And I can do my line to connect them. 8 again. So we'll be working on that when we do these pages together during math. We're going to count and circle how many, coloring 5 and drawing 3 more. So let me do that on my whiteboard. Here's my 5 circles that it shows. It says color the 5 circles. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you guys can't see 5. My board. There we go. Sorry about that. 4, 5. Draw 3 more. To the right. 1, 2, 3. So you're working on counting up to 8 and making 8 in different ways, different groups. Good job, boys and girls. I will see you for math at 12.